Hello guys, welcome back to Varsity with another video. Today I'm going to explain you all about the problem related to the continuity, SCR equations and also the differentiability of the given function f of z. So here is the function f of z. So I'm going to have the solution of this problem. Solution. Given f of z equal to x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square plus I into x cube plus y cube by x square plus y square. So writing it in the polar form, we will get the answer as r into cos cube theta minus sin cube theta. I am writing direct steps. I into cos cube theta plus sin cube theta. So for this, we should find the values of limit so that we can understand the continuity of the given function f of z. So here f of z limit z tends to 0, f of z equal to limit z tends to 0. Here cos cube theta have the values between cos cube theta plus or minus sin cube theta have the values. So we will get the range of sin theta is what, minus 1 to plus 1, and range of cos theta is also minus 1 to plus 1. So here we will get to know that for the cos cube theta minus sin cube theta, negative value is what, minus 2 to plus 2. High value is this, negative value is this. So minimum value is minus 2. Next, we should understand that it is bounded, that it has infinite values of minimum and maximum values. So here, next we're gonna understand r into u plus iv. This is u plus iv, r into u plus iv. Here u is cos cube theta minus sin cube theta, and v is cos cube theta plus sin cube theta. As z approaches 0, r also approaches 0, because mod of z equal to under root x square plus y square. So r equal to mod z equal to x square plus y square whole root. So here limit r tends to 0, r into u plus iv equal to 0. Substituting in this, we will get the answer as 0 here. Next, this is the understanding about the continuity. The given function is continuous because because f of 0 equal to 0 equal to limit of z tends to 0 f of z. So here we will get to know as f of 0, directly putting the 0 in the equation, we will get the answer as 0, or it is given from the question, and the limit also is the same value as the f of 0. So limit also got the same value as the f of 0. So we can say that the given function is f of z is continuous in the value up to this here x square. This one is continuous with 2 at f of z. F of z is what, f of origin. At f of 0, the the term is continuous, so both the terms are continuous at at the origin. So here we will get to know as, next we're gonna find CR equations. CR equations are what, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou u by dou y. So we're gonna find it now. Dou by dou x of u. U is what here? This is the u. This is the u. Substitute at real axis. First, we should take it as real axis. What is the coordinates of real axis? Real axis coordinates are uh, x comma 0. So Substituting it in the equation above, we'll get as a x cube by x square. X will be cancelled out. Dou by dou x of x is what? 1. We'll get the answer as 1. So take it as 1. Next, dou by dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x is what? X cube plus y cube. Here this is the v. This is the u. This is the v. Next, here substitute in the values of x and y equal to 0. We will get the answer as x equal to x and y equal to 0. We get the answer as x cube by x square. So here also we got the answer as 1. This is the equation 2. Next, dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y equal to dou by dou y of dou by equal to dou by of u. Here we will get to know the answer as from the vertical line. Vertical line is what? Vertical line is 0 comma y. So here y cube minus y cube by y square. So here we will get the answer as -1. Next, here y cube by y square equal, here we get the answer as 1. So for the CR equations to be satisfied, we have the conditions like this: dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y equal to 1. Next, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou x equal to dou u by dou y equal to 1. So here it is there as a minus symbol here. So here dou u by dou y value is what? -1 from the equation 3. So here minus of minus will be placed and the equations are satisfied. CR equations are satisfied. No, satisfied. There is so much concept in this problem, so you must understand for the scoring well in your examinations, SCE, semester and examinations. For BTech and also a mathematics degree of masters, you can understand this to solve the problem. Next, we're gonna find differentiability. Differentiability of f of z. F of 0, f dash of 0 equal to limit z tends to 0. Here what we will write? Here we will write x cube plus y cube, x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square minus plus x cube plus y cube into I by x square plus y square into 1 by x plus iy. Here, how I got this? Let's look at this. F dash of z. F dash of z is what? Limit z tends to 0. F dash of 0 plus z minus f of 0 by z. So here we will get the answer as f of z by z with the limit z tends to 0. So you got the answer as limit, here we will get the answer as limit z tends to 0, x cube minus y cube plus x cube plus y cube into I by x square plus y square into x plus iy. So we will get to know that for the value of y equal to mx, this is a line equation. We should see that it fits on the this line. So we'll directly substitute y equal to mx. Limit z tends to 0, x cube minus m cube x cube plus x cube plus m cube x cube into I by x cube x square plus m square x square into x plus mx I. So here this, 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 this will be cancelled out. So limit z tends to 0, 1 minus m cube into 1 plus m cube into I plus 1 plus m cube into I by 1 plus m square into 1 plus m I, 1 plus mi. So here we will substitute m equal to 0 and 1. So for y equal to mx, the y value is at 0 comma 0. Is it differentiable or we're gonna check. For the differentiability concept, here is a concept. So you must understand to solve the problem correctly. So here is the destination. Let it be x comma y. So if you go in this way or in this way, the destination is same. So it is differentiable. There is a small change in between this. So it is differentiable. But if you go in two different ways with two different destinations, it is not differentiable. Let it see by changing the value of m, so that we will get two different or same positions as the destination, x comma y and x1 comma y, y1, two different positions, different destinations. This is the analogy how to understand the problem in an easy manner. This is the analogy of the subject. So here you can understand. First we should substitute m equal to 0, next we should substitute m equal to 1. Limit m tends to 0, 1 minus 0 cube plus 1 plus 0 cube into I by 1 plus 1 cube 1 square into 1 plus I. So here we'll get the answer as 1 minus 0 cube is 1, 1 plus 1 I by 2I. 2I, we will get the answer as. So here substituting m equal to 0, we will get I plus 1 plus I. So first is 1 plus I. Next one is we're gonna see in the next page. So here next we're gonna substitute m equal to 1. Next f limit extend m tends to 1, 1 minus 1 cube plus 1 plus 1 cube into I by 1 plus 1 square into 1 plus I. So here we will get the answer as 2I by 2 into 1 plus I. This is will be cancelled out. I into 1 minus I by 1 plus 1. So here we'll get the answer as 1 by 2 plus minus I by 2. So here both the equations in the both the equations x comma y are not equal, so it is not differentiable. 1 by 2 by I by 2. So in the both equations, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are not equal, so the function is not differentiable at 0 comma 0 at origin. So f dash of 0 does not exist. Therefore the problem has been proved out. This is the solution of the problem, so you can understand it very well. I have explained every part of the problem very well uh, in the video. So please follow the video and share if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Like the button if you like the video. Next, thanks for watching. Henceforth.